Welcome to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is economic and financial business environment. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discusses various topics related to it like meaning and nature of business environment, objective of business environment and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about this topic. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is economic and financial business environment. Basically, in the economic and financial business environment, all the activities which are related to the economic condition, economic policies, monetary policies, financial policies comes under this environment, which affect the business organization's growth and development also. So economic environment refers to all those economic factors which have a bearing on functioning of a business. Business depends on the economic environment for all the needed inputs. It also depends on the economic environment to sell the finished goods. So for starting a business, to start a business, there is a requirement of funds for any type of requirements. For example, labor, raw material, land, etc. and so on. So everything will be possible with the help of funds or with the help of uh, good financial condition. So all the development of or growth of the business environment or business organization depends on the economic condition of the organization. Naturally, the dependence of business on the economic environment is total and is not surprising because, as it is rightly said, business is one unit of the total economy. The economic environment influences the business to a great extent. It refers to all those economic factors which affect the functioning of a business unit. So, business organization depends on the economic environment of the business for their growth, for the development of the organization, because it directly influences the growth of the business organization. Dependence of business on the economic environment is total, that is for input and also to sell the finished goods. Trained economists supplying the macroeconomic forecast and research are found in major companies in manufacturing, commerce, and finance, which prove the importance of the economic environment in business. So, for starting to end, all the working conditions can be done through the help of economic condition of the business organization. For starting input, raw material, labor, hiring of employees to the finished goods, sending to the market, transportation, each of the work can be possible with the help of proper economic condition or fund available to the business organization. So there are several factors which contains the economic business environment like economic system, economic planning, industry, agriculture, infrastructure, financial and physical imbalances, price and distribution controls, economic reforms, human resources, per capita income and national income also. Economic system includes the government policies and framework of the country. Economic planning also denotes the monetary policy budget of the country. Industrial support or industry shows the financial condition of the organization. Agriculture also influences. If there is low generation of crops, then price will become high and the rates will also become too high to the consumers. Infrastructure of the country also influences the development of the organization. Financial and physical imbalances includes the inflation rate, deflation rate, growth of the monetary condition of the country also. Price and distribution control is governed by the different factors like inflation, deflation, agriculture production and so on. Economic reforms is done by the government of the country for the welfare of the organizations. And the next one is human resources. Human resources is also very important for the development of the organization because they are the key points, basic or base of the organization. And the last one is the per capita income and national income. It also denotes the development of whole of the country. So these are the different factors constituting business environment. The state become the encourager of savings and also an important investor and the owner of the capital. Since the state was to be primary agent of economic change, it followed that private sector activities has to be strictly regulated and controlled to confirm the objectives of state policy. So, a state is also responsible for the encouragement of the investment in the state. The growth strategy also meant in the early years of planning a relative neglect of public investment in agriculture sector was supported by the general view that the increased labor in the developing countries could only be absorbed in the industry, and that during the early stages of industrialization it was necessary for agriculture to contribute in the establishment of modern industry by offering inexpensive workforce. So, for the development of the organization, public investment is also very important in agriculture, in other sectors, also for the development of countries. Also, this become possible in the early stages of industrialization, which contributes a proper investment in the field of agriculture. A faster development of industry was the central objective of planning. The above is the thumbnail sketch of the growth strategy followed by the planners in the past 4 decades. So, for the economic condition, for the economic development, there should be proper economic condition of the country for the development of business organization within the country. So these are the several economic factors affecting business environment. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So economic and financial environment includes all the economic factors affecting business environment or business processes. It also influences the business organization development and growth in the great extent. Uh, Basically, all the economists forecast the general companies in manufacturing, commerce, and finance about the importance of economic environmental factors. These are the factors affecting business environment comes under economic factors, which are economic system, economic planning, industry, agriculture, infrastructure, financial and fiscal imbalances, price and distribution control, economic reforms, human resources, per capita income and national income, and so on. So savings and investment is also very important for the development of a business organization, which comes under economical factors. And agriculture is the key point of the growth of the country or the business organization also. So this is all about the economic factors affecting business environment. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.